In this video, I'll show you how to capitalize the first letter of a string. For this task, we'll use the char@at method on the string prototype. For example, if I take a string of A, B, C, D, E and do char@0, I'll get the following: console.log. So here's an A, and I can do this for pretty much each character in this string. Now that you have a way to get any letter, you can store it in a variable. For example, if I say let str equals lorem ipsum, I can say that the first letter is str.char@0. And now if I console log first letter, I'll get the expected first character in the string of lorem ipsum, which is the letter L right here. Now we can easily convert this first letter to uppercase simply by adding dot to uppercase right here, which will result in the first letter being capitalized. From here, we need to pick one of these two approaches. The first approach is to concatenate the rest of the source string onto the uppercase first letter, and the second approach is we can replace the first letter in the original string with the uppercase first letter. So let's go through each solution. Here's the first solution. So I'm going to say function uppercase first char, and I'm going to pass the str to it. And inside I'm going to say const first letter equals str.char@0.to uppercase like we've seen. And next I'm going to say const rest of string, and I'm going to set that to string.slice at 1. And now I can just return first letter plus rest of string. Pretty straightforward. So now I can invoke my function uppercase first character, and let's say lorem ipsum again. And of course, for this to work properly, I'm going to have to console.log because I'm using Quokka free version. So this is what I have to do here. And as you can see, I'm getting the lorem ipsum output right here. So this is the first approach. The second approach is, let's name it function uppercase first char v2. And here I'm also going to pass a single argument. That's going to be the str. And let's say let updated str equals str.replace. And here I'm going to do some regex magic. So I'm taking a char and I'm setting it to the to uppercase using the to uppercase method right here. And now I can console.log updated str. And now when I invoke uppercase first char v2 and pass in lorem ipsum, I'm getting the exact same result as in the above implementation. Now I find this one much easier to reason about. but this one's also got its own merits. So maybe we can go into more depth on this one once we cover regular expressions in a future video. For now, I guess I can just briefly explain that this portion right here um, basically selects the first letter of the first word. And if you can't wait to check out regex further, you can visit https www.regex.r.com. Okay, so that's it for this video. You found a couple of new functions and how to use them to uppercase first character in two different ways in a given string.